was one of my operatives, Alex. He was working on some white works on our network, and he went to the back of the lorry to remove a road saw from the cabinet on the back of the lorry. It was placed higher than his head, and he went to remove it off of the shelf, and as he did so, he hurt his back. No, he carried on, he did the work, and then he reported the actual incident to me afterwards. As a result, we've now told our operatives to not place any heavy machinery above head height, but to follow the manual handling. And we've also carried out refresher courses with our manual handling policy, not twisting and turning whilst lifting heavy loads, or use mechanical means to lift and move material. He could have said nothing, and after sitting down for a minute or two, he was able to continue with his work, but he did the right thing in actually coming to his supervisor and highlighting that this happened. There is a belief that reporting it, they are telling on somebody, or they are putting themselves at risk of disciplinary action, and that's not the message that we send out. This is a tool so that we can actually learn. They also have access to our systems, the near miss and report it. Now every month when the divisional director holds his update with all of the workforce, they also give feedback on the near misses, and they get some vouchers, which encourages people to actually participate. We don't injure ourselves, we work smarter, not harder.